Okay, I'm at my food truck this morning, like always, so I'm going to show you what I'm fixing to do today. Is my faucet right here. When I turn the water on, you see how it's got a lot of restriction stuff in it, and it's running really sporadic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and change this faucet. It's a restrictor in there, and it has little small holes. So I'm going to show you what you need. The only thing you need is to get one of these. And you can get these on Amazon. If you look in the description below, you can purchase these off my website also. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to take it out the package so you can look at it. Oh no, and the only thing you need is just some pliers. That's it. That's all you need, a set of pliers. So first you want to do is screw this off. This is a female connector. So you just take your pliers, just turn it, and it comes right off. You see the water still in there. It could probably got a little. And these things, I'm gonna show you what the insert looks like. You just push this out. You see how it comes out, and there go the O-ring. So it just goes in. This is a female connector. You just push it right in, and put the O-ring in. So I'm gonna push it out, and I'm gonna replace it with the other one I have. Like I said, it's this right here. You can look in the description below, and you can purchase this from Amazon. I get a small percentage, not much, 5% of it. It's not much. But it also right here, it tells you how to do it, and it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take these out. Like I said, they gave you a couple of O-rings. You don't need number one O-ring. And you see how this looks. And these little holes in here, and they're real small, less than a millimeter. Really, really, really small. So I'm saying about maybe 5/1000ths of an inch. So you got all these little holes. And you saw how the water was running at first, so let's go ahead and replace it. This is a female. Yeah. Only thing you have to do is take this and push this in just like this. Boom, it goes right in, and just put one of these O-rings. I'm gonna put this one in there, push it down. And she is fitting pretty good. And then just screw it back on. This, make sure you don't cross thread this. If you don't want to damage this, you can get some paper or something. You don't have to squeeze it much. Just turn it. And you can buy these replacements also. They're cheap. That's all you have to do. And I'm going to turn the water on. I'm going to show you how it runs now. Look at the difference. Big difference. Just from replacing a little $5 part. That's all you have to do. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And like I said, you can purchase these in my description. Thank you. Have a great day.